it's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and this beer parcel come in two parts. So it's currently 2 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. You may not see this video for a few days. This is just the time of recording the video. The reason why I'm mentioning that is because this morning at 8:30 came this, another keg of Wallhouse Diplom Pills from the wonderful draftproducts.com. And then I was speaking to draftproducts.com on WhatsApp, and they were like, where's the beer machine? Because I posted on Instagram. And I was like, oh, was there another part? So they chased down the parcel, they found the parcel, and within 5 hours, DPD have delivered this, a beer machine for this 5-litre mini keg. So without further ado, let's get my John Rambo knife, get it out. It's that time of year, isn't it? It's starting to get dark in the evenings, it's starting to get cold. You're thinking to yourself, do I want to wander down the pub in weather like this? You can hear the rain on the roof here. Or do I just get a mini keg, put the mini keg in the fridge, in my little machine here? This could be great. I don't even know the name of the machine. It's available, there's a link in the description box, draftproducts.com. You can pick it up from there. So let's have a looky now. Now I did specifically ask for instructions on this because well, I broke my beer monster machine. That went down the tip because I broke it on opening the damn thing. I think the springs went everywhere, and I was woo. And then I had kind of a couple of issues with the HKoenig machine here, which I reviewed a few weeks back. I needed CO2 canisters and everything else, and whoa, just so I said, make sure, put the instructions on the top, ready for me to read, so I don't break nothing. Right, what is it called? It's called the HKoenig. Now, HKoenig, that's a very sort of Swedish name, isn't it? Oh. Oh. Doesn't that look nice? Chrome handle, nice tap, circular like the keg, circular drip tray. It's the 1890. I like that. That was when the Industrial Revolution was in full swing, and when probably breweries were selling their most beer. Oh, right, okay, so it looks like it could be one of those. I really need to read this, so I'm only going to unbox this today. I'm going to unbox it and read it all because this has little miniature gas canisters. You see these around the streets, don't you? Well, you used to anyway, you used to see them. I don't know what people do with them. Do they go in your vape things when you're smoking vapes? I don't know. Right, gas canisters. Tap handle. Different attachments. We'll keep those safe. Some kind of pumpy thing. And then the beer machine itself. So, let's drop this on the floor now. Let's Right, so here is the beer machine. Here, this is what it looks like. Let's untangle that. That's a nice. Let's fit the tap handle. Let's take off. Yeah, that's very nice. What do you think of that, everybody? Do you like that? Nice chrome tap. It's in terms of size. Let's. It's a lot smaller than the HKoenig, and what's important about that is, yes, the HKoenig brews beer, but it only serves 5 litres of beer. This serves 5 litres of beer too. Look at the footprint. Look how it's probably a little bit kind of slimmer. It's definitely shorter. If you then put it up to the perfect draft, it's about the same size as the perfect draft. You've got volume up and down. It's probably not volume, it's probably temperature. And then we have another nice clicky buttons. Have a listen. Remember the old I had a computer that used to sound like that back in the day. It's chrome. It's lovely to look at. I really like the look of it. But I do really need now to go away, read the instructions, work out how to use all of these different gas canisters, and I want to make sure I don't break this one. I broke the beer monster. I don't want to break this one. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I've got to cool the keg down as well. We'll cool the keg down, but thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, boom, cheers. Okay, so a quick close-up of this machine now. It's very nice to look at. It's got a really nice lovely action there. This button down here, that's to release the door. Up here is, so it's top loading. Oh, hang on. There we go. So it's a top loading beer machine. One of those gas cartridges definitely goes in there. And then we have a cardboard sort of insert just to hold everything in place. This goes over the top of the keg. And then, let's have a look at this here. I don't want to break nothing. I think that'll come up. We got to get that cardboard out of there, basically. So we'll work out how to. Let's have a look behind. Well, you're going to have to clean that, aren't you? You're going to have to clean that piece of the. You've got a little thing there just to maybe take that off there, but. We'll work it out. I'll read the instructions. I'm going to go away, read the instructions. But before I read the instructions, I just wanted to show you. It's a very, very neat looking machine.